Hi, welcome to a mini lesson on 1.4a, 1.5a, and this is just, I call it column practice. So I've got 4 columns here, and I'm going to do these problems. I'm going to take you through them and help you do them. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to do this 4 separate videos for this page so that you can see how I do these problems and how I'd like you to practice them, how I can help you learn them. All right, let me see if I can get this up here. Make this just a little bit lower. See if I can get all the problems on the page. Yeah, I can. I'll have to slide it. All right. First of all, we're just going to review these rules. We've got same signs, add and keep. We've got the double shot. We've got different signs, find the difference. So that's what we're doing here. So take a look at these first ones here. We've got 6 and 3. These are the same signs. Go ahead and add them up in your head. 6 plus 3 is positive or negative? It's positive. They're both positive. Same thing here. We have same signs. They're both negative. Add them up. 5 plus 2 is positive or negative? It's a negative. They're both negative, so we keep that sign, that negative sign. Okay, the next one. These are different signs. You've got a positive 3 and you've got a negative 9. I know it looks like minus 9, but remember you can write this as 3 plus a negative 9. They're the exact same things. So these are different signs. What's the difference between 9 and 3? Good. Positive or negative? It's negative because the 9 has a greater absolute value. It's more negative, so we keep the sign of the one with the greatest absolute value. All right, here we go. We've got negative 7 plus a negative 5. Those are the same signs. Add them up. What do you got? Is it positive or negative? It is correct, negative. All right, these are different signs. 8 and a negative 2. Okay? Just change this to a negative 2 to make it simpler for you. I think it's simpler for me. 8 plus a negative 2, different signs. What's the difference? Okay, positive or negative? It is positive. Very good. All right, add these guys up. You got same signs. Add them up. 10 plus 6 is? Is it positive or negative? It is negative. Here we go. We have different signs. We have a positive 4 and a negative 6. What's the difference between 4 and 6? Positive or negative? It's a negative 2. All right. We've got a negative 9 and a negative 5. We're adding them together. So these are the same signs. So add up 9 plus 5 is? Is it positive or negative? Definitely negative. Negative 14. All right, let's keep going here. Slide up so you can see the last few problems. All right, we got, hit me with the double shot. All right, this is negative and negative. So when they're right next to each other, that is a positive. So I'll just write it this way. 2 minus a minus 6 is a positive. Those both become positives. Now this one's out here is negative 2, right? So now you've got a negative 2 and you got a positive 6. What's the difference between 2 and 6? Is it positive or negative? Well, it's positive because this 6 has a greater absolute value. All right, go ahead. Try the next one. Got different, same signs. Yeah, these are the same. You got a negative and a negative. Put them together. You got good. Positive or negative? It is negative. All right, 3 plus a negative 1. These are different signs. You got a positive and a negative. The difference is? And positive or negative? It is positive because the 3 has a greater absolute value. Now you understand how I'm taking you through these. I think it's a really good activity for practicing, and it's the best way to do it, best way to be thinking about it. You'll notice I think in 2 questions. I first do the math, I do the algebra, or the arithmetic, and then I determine if it's positive or negative. All right, go ahead. These are different signs. What's the difference? Is it positive or negative? Well, this has a great negative 10 is a greater absolute value. All right, hit me with the double shot. Wow. These are the same signs now. You've got 3 plus 4. It is positive or negative? Well, they're both positive. Of course it's positive. All right, different signs. Find the difference. The difference is 2. Is it positive or negative? Negative. All right. 8 plus a negative 4. Different signs. What's the difference? Positive or negative? It is positive. This is just the same as 8 minus 4, right? You've been doing that since second grade. All right. Take a look at this next one. Uh-oh, 3 negative signs. But look at these two right next to each other. Hit me with the double shot. Wow. Parents, that is not a cat. That is a guitar solo. Just kind of a little wow. All right. Yeah, I know. It sounds like a dead cat. You're a cat being tortured. All right, let's see. Now we have different signs. What's the difference? The difference is 3. Is it positive or negative? Well, it's positive because the 8 has a greater absolute value. All right, the next one, we have different signs. What's the difference between 6 and 9? Is it positive or negative? Yeah, it's positive. That negative, the 9 has a greater absolute value. Uh-oh, there it is. Hit me with the double shot. Wow. There we go. Little Joan Jett going on. That's who sang the song. It's 100 years old. Ashley grandparents. And now we have same signs. Add them up. Positive or negative? Well, they're both positive, so of course it's positive. All right, take a look at this next one. Try this one on your own. Yeah, these are the same signs. These are both negative. This is a negative 19. Try this next one on your own. These are different signs. The difference is 2. Is it positive or negative? Negative, definitely. All right, this next one, same signs. Add them up. Positive or negative? Yeah. And again, this is this one where my brain can't quite comprehend this. So I write this one this way. Negative 2 plus a negative 10. Now I can see that I have to add those together. And, sorry. Now I can see that I have to add those together and make that into a negative 12. It's just so much easier. All right, go ahead and see if you can do this next problem here on your own. Good. It is a double shot. No, I'm not going to sing it. Your parents are getting sick of me. They're about ready to pull you out of my class. Okay, try this next one here on your own. These are the same signs. It is 14. And yes, it is negative. All right, last problem. Yes, it's 1. It's positive because this has a greater absolute value. All right, thanks.